Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I am headed into CVS to show you guys an incredible hair care glitch. Guys, there are so many glitches going on. I didn't know which one to start with today, so I started with the hair care one. As always, guys, with a glitch, you have to run and do them as soon as possible because you never know when the computer is going to fix or when they're going to update the computer and the glitch is no longer there. And remember, do not go to the manager and ask the manager, does this work or that work? We never tell managers about glitches. We keep glitches to ourselves as couponers, or we share them with other couponers or other people that want to save. We never share them with store managers, and we never call the store to see if the glitch is still going on, because 9 times out of 10, they have no clue about the glitch. They learn about glitches from us. So enough of my soapbox. Why don't you guys go ahead and get your inserts out? You're going to need your PNG insert for this one. And you're going to need your CVS app. If you haven't downloaded the CVS app, it's still time to do so. Go ahead and download it so that you can get this incredible savings. So let's head into the store and let's get ready to save. Okay, guys, so here is the deal. CVS is filled with glitches this week. Oh my God. You are going to have to get your pencil and paper together because you are going to come across a lot of glitch deals. So I'm getting ready to show you 2 of them, and it is on a hair care glitch. It's with the Head & Shoulders and the Herbal Essence. So this week, the Head & Shoulders is on sale, 2 for $12. And when you buy 2, you get a $5 extra buck. The same deal is for the Herbal Essence, 2 for $12. When you buy 2, you get a $5 extra buck. You have to make sure that you get the right ones. So with the Head & Shoulders, make sure that you get the 3.5 ounce. And for the Herbal Essence, make sure you get the 13.5 ounce. Now, it doesn't matter what scent you get, just as long as they're 2 for $12. What you're going to do is you're going to go into your CVS app and you're going to clip the $3 Head & Shoulder coupon. Is $3 off 2. You're also going to clip the $3 off Herbal Essence. It's $3 off 2. Then you're going to go to your PNG insert that just came out last week, and you're going to clip the same coupon, but it's the paper coupon, and you're going to use those together and they're going to glitch. Now, these deals are the separate deal, are the same deal. They have the same code. So you can either do the Head & Shoulders or you can do the Herbal Essence if you're trying to get extra bucks back, okay? Now, I combined the deal because I have a 4 off of 18 hair CRT. If you do not have a CRT like that, then don't combine these deals. You have to choose. You have to do one or the other if you want to get extra bucks back and you want to make this a very good deal for you. But if you have a hair care CRT, then you can do them together. So I did them together, so that was a total of $24. But I used the $3 digital for this, the $3 paper for that. That's $6. I used the $3 digital for this and the $3 paper for that. So that's another $6. So that's a total of $12. But then I used the 4 off 18 hair care. So then that's another $4. So that's a total of $16 that I got off of $22. So let me show you my receipt. So here you see they are 2 for $12, 2 Head & Shoulders, and 2 Herbal Essence. You see there's the $4 off coupon. And actually the Herbal Essence is $4 off too. I'm sorry. Then there's the $3 paper coupon for the Head & Shoulders. There's the $4 digital Herbal Essence. There's the $3 Head & Shoulders Herbal Essence. There's the $4 off 18 hair care CRT. And then I used $6 out of pocket. I used the $6 extra care buck to make it a 0. So I didn't pay anything, but you want to count your extra bucks as paying. So that's $6 I paid out of pocket. But look, I got back a $5 extra buck. So that means this only cost me $1 out of pocket for 4 shampoos. So this was a quarter a piece. Guys, that's an excellent, excellent deal. But like I said, if you do not have a hair care CRT, choose which one you want to do. Or if you have like a 4 off of 20 next purchase, you can use that. That'll work the same as this, and you'll only pay $1 out of pocket. So make sure that your cashier scans your coupons before hitting total. If she hits total and then scans your coupons, the glitch will not work. So guys, I hope you're able to go out and do this deal. I hope you like this deal. Give me a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family. Let me know down below what scent you're going to get. In the herbal essence, I wanted to try the honey and vitamin B because I really like shampoos with honey in them. And then this one has it's for dry scalp, and my scalp itches a lot, so I wanted to try that one. So let me know what your favorite is or what you're going to get, and let me know if I could have done this deal any better, if you were able to do this deal and made it a money maker. But as always, I thank you guys for tuning in, and until the next time, keep on saving.